Hello everyone, I'm Rakseng. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna about two best ways to stretch image in Photoshop. So let's get right into the video. Method 1. First, select crop tool. Make sure you uncheck delete cropped pixels. Press and hold Alt to expand. Select rectangular marker tool. Select the area. Go to the Edit Content Aware Scale. Now scale it to the left. Now select the right area. Go to the Edit Content Aware Scale. Scale it to the right. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Let's do it another way. Method 2. Select crop tool. Press and hold Alt to expand. Select lasso tool. Make rough selection around the subject. Then go to Windows, Channels, set the selection as Channel. You can see it is named as Alpha 1. Ctrl+ D for deselect. Go to the Edit Content Aware Scale. Now you can see Protect here and select the option Alpha 1. Now press and hold Alt to stretch the image. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.